Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method in KuCoin. So if you want to sell your currency P2P, then for the receive payment in fiat currency, you have to add payment method first. So how you can add it, I will show you. So first of all, just open the KuCoin application and then simply just log into your account. And now as you can see in the upper left corner, account logo, just tap on it. And now you can see this option security, just tap on it. And in security, you will find this option payment method, just go for this. And now as you can see this option add, just tap on it. And as you can see payment method, you can choose any payment method here. You can choose bank, you can choose PayPal, whatever suits for you. If you don't find any payment method, you can search for as well. And now you have to type your full name and then your email address, like what is your PayPal email address, and then you have to confirm it. And that's how you can add payment method in KuCoin. You can also add payment methods in P2P. So you just have to go for P2P and just tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and tap on this payment method. And now the same procedure, you just have to tap on add and you have to choose payment method and then write your full name and email address, and that's how you can add payment method in KuCoin. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.